Hi everyone, welcome to Jane's Kitchen. Today I will be making hot dog sliders. What I have in this tray is beef hot dogs. You can use any type of hot dogs you like. And I also have slider buns, and then cheese, barbecue sauce, and slices of pickle. And I already preheat my oven to 375 degrees. While I'm waiting for that to preheat, I'm going to cut the hot dogs in half. Okay, and then once you cut the hot dogs in half, and then you also slice it in half again. So just like that. There you go. So now you got 4 slices of hot dogs. Another one, so you just cut it in half, and you also cut another half of the hot dog in half again, and then on this side like this. There you go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the sliders, just the bottom part, on the baking pan, just like that. So you place this as a baking pan, and once you're done place that in the baking pan, you are going to place half of the hot dog. So you have 2 slices, and you're gonna place it on top of the buns like this, just like that, face down. So you pretty much kind of face down like that. And here we go. This is very easy recipe. So and then once that's done, you are going to put the barbecue on top of the hot dog. Just like that. There you go. Just a little bit barbecue sauce. If you like a lot of barbecue sauce, go ahead and put a lot. Depend on how much you like barbecue sauce, really. There's no perfect amount. There you go. A little bit more on this last one. Okay. Okay, once you got that on the hot dog, I'm going to do is I'm going to put cheese on top, just like this. Cheese on top. Okay, there you go. So now you got cheese on top, and again, you can put as much cheese you like. There's no limit. I mean, there's no perfect amount, anything like that. So you can just go ahead and put that. And now slice of pickles, just put on top. I like it 2. Let's put 2 pickles in each sliders. How about that? 2 pickle sliders. Oops. Okay, like this. Awesome. Perfect. Just like that. Now, last but not least, you're going to top with the other half of the buns. There you go. Just top it like this. And like this. Just like that. Hi guys, it has been about 15 minutes now, so I just took the sliders out of the oven, and let's taste. Oh, it's hot. It looks so good. All the cheese are melted. Oh, This is delicious. Very good. So this is it, you guys. This is how to make hot dog sliders. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. And I'll hope to see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.